Question 2. Find out from newspapers and popular science articles any new fossil discoveries or controversies about evolution. Now, evolution is such a subject that it is very controversial. Few scientists say evolution never happened. Few of them said that it happened. Now, those who say that it happened also say they have various versions. So, the word itself means change. Okay, so whatever change is occurring inside around your surroundings is what you're supposed to write in this answer. So if there are any fossil discoveries, write about that. For example, the answer you're supposed to write here is something like this. Okay, so we go like, following our new fossil discoveries or controversies about evolution found from newspaper and popular science articles. 1. Fossils of dinosaurs revealed evolution of reptiles in Jurassic period and evolution of birds and mammals. Okay, so fossils of what? The famous dinosaurs reveal evolution from reptiles in which period? Jurassic period. Remember Jurassic Park. Evolution of birds and mammals. Okay, recently, point number 2, shark-toothed reptiles from Sahara Desert have been discovered. So this is something new, that this specific species of reptile is found where? In Sahara Desert. 3rd, fossil of Archaeopteryx is found. So fossil of Archaeopteryx is something that is new. Okay students.